I've only done one unboxing video. I want to do another one. And this is a one that I got for hurricane present. If you didn't have this hurricane, I don't remember the name, but I know it's like Adala. I don't know, but I know it's a hurricane. Came for a tropical storm for us, but anyways, let's unbox this squishy that I got for a hurricane present. I got scissors. Oh, why wasn't it not letting me cut? I wonder if it has slime in it. I was like on favorite like it was slime. I do not know what on earth this is, but I'm gonna cut it off. Wait. Sorry, I was reading that. I like it. I like it. And today is an unboxing video, so not just one, but more. I'll go get the bag. Okay, so if there's some boy stuff, I'll go give it to my mom because me and my brother got one, and so yeah. I don't know why I said that. So I got this donut, bees treats, I don't know how to say it. This is so cute. Hey, it's standing. It's cool. It's so hard to cut. Wait. Ah! Okay. Okay. ASMR. Hey guys, do you remember that mouse sound video? And guess what's coming in a couple days? My real mermaid tail. For that, I think I'm going to wear it and make a special video for it. For when I get it. Watch and you'll see. Can I tell you something? We're going to do a countdown for it. We're going to do this. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. A million. This is so hard to open. Okay, I guess this is going to be a one that's going to get out. The video. What's this? Why do I have two? I'll put that one in there because it's probably my brother's. It's not a boily. It's not like a boy thing, but I have two and he got one, so it's probably my brother's. I wonder what these are. Okay. Go on vacation. Can somebody tell me what these are? I don't know. I'm gonna take one out. Are they like stickers? Okay. Hey yo! Hey yo! Look at that. Ew. I don't understand. Is it like a game or something? Or is it just cards to give out to friends? I don't understand. TT, I thank you for the gifts if you watch this, but if you're watching this, I meant. I'm not trying to be mean, but it's okay if you teach me what some of this stuff is, because I don't understand. Like, bro. Well, my life sure does. Marrying people tonight. Marrying people tonight. And I'm about to do you make me glow, yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you later. I don't know why I'm doing that face. Bye.